Let's see it. She did it. I was hoping she'd do it like she was before, that funny way.
Boy.
Look at Tegan. Tegan just did a roll. God, I should have got that one. Do it again. Sean, you're in the way.
That's not a flip. Jump.
Let me show you how it goes.
Dad.
You go like this.
Your freaking hair.
Dude, she landed like right on her head.
Honey, are you okay?
Not on my head, on my nose.
On your nose.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I only got head in. I need flip.
Whoosh, whoosh.
Be careful, honey.
Watch this, Mama.
Whoosh, whoosh.
Oh, Tegan.
I did a flip. Watch this, Mama. You have to do it like this.
Why are you such a little whiny baby? You gotta wipe her nose, dude.
Like she's gonna try to get out. Tegan the net. Oh my God, look at her. Okay, honey.